Sorry?
It's in Bangkok.
Yes, it is in Bangkok. Ramintra is in Bangkok. Where is Ramintra now? I don't know, but somewhere in Bangkok there. It's a nice place. Maybe you can go to the cinema. They have a cinema theater there. I've forgotten the cinema there. It's a nice place, Bass. I'm sure you'll have fun. Fashion Island is good. Okay, so let's go to what we have today. We'll study area of polygons. Once again, please get your mathematics textbooks and your workbook. Okay, so let's go do that now. Let's go to polygons, area of a polygon. In our last class on Friday, we talked about perimeters of polygons. Okay, so if you missed that Friday class, please go back to your textbooks and your workbook and do your exercises there. All right, but for today, we shall look at the area of polygons. All right, so let's go see them. You can turn your textbooks to page 151. 151, all right? The area of polygons. That is what we shall look at today. Let's go. Let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see better. Make this bigger so you can see better. There we go. Okay. Okay. All right, so we are here. Sorry, I was talking to teacher. Polygons, section C, area of a polygon. Area of a polygon here. How do you find the area of a polygon? We have learned how to find the areas of quadrilaterals and triangles in our previous lessons. You know how to find the area of a regular polygon. Let us look at it. Let us see them together. Okay, who can tell me what is this polygon? It has, I think, 6 sides. What's the name of this polygon? Who can tell me? What's the name of a 6-sided polygon? Okay, I should call names. All right, so I'll go with Japanese. Japan, are you there? I'm sorry, I think that sounded like Chio, right? Me, please. Yes, that was Chio. Let's go with Japan for like 5 seconds. If she does not respond, I'll go next with Chio, okay? Japan, can you tell me first? Japan, are you there? Can you hear me, Japan? Japanese, Japan. That's you. Japan, do the point, Japanese, Japs, J. Okay. Chio, can you tell me what's the name of this polygon here?
Hexagon.
Hexagon, that is very correct. Okay, so we have a hexagon. Please, if you cannot say the names of the polygons from 3, that's triangle, to 10, that is decagon, please, you can talk to me about it. Okay, teacher, I don't know a polygon of 7 sides, or I do not know a polygon of 4 sides, all right? You can ask me the question. You can ask me the question anytime. Okay, so Chio said, this 6-sided polygon is called an hexagon. Okay, so we know this is the sides, okay? The side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. They are called the sides, okay? And from triangle, remember, base angles of a triangle. Okay, the bottom is called the base angle. Now, please pay attention. In a polygon, you would have a line from the middle Please, this is very important. There is always a line from the middle of the polygon to the side of the polygon, a straight line from the middle of the polygon to the side of the polygon. You can see the line here, the red line. Okay, that red line is called the apotem. Apotem, A-P-O-T-H-E-M, apotem. All right, that's the name here. I don't know, you can see it on your screen right now. There's always a line from the middle of the polygon to the sides. It's more like the height of a triangle. If you can remember, the area of a triangle is base times height, right? That's the area of a triangle. So the height here, we do not call it height in polygons, we call it the apotem. Apotem, okay? Here, apotem, that's the name. So, for example, apotem is a line from the center of a regular polygon to the midpoint of any sides and is perpendicular to that side. Perpendicular means angles 90 degrees. That is why you have this little box here. Okay, this little box says 90 degrees and also says perpendicular. Okay, so once again, an apothegm, it's a line from the center of a regular polygon to the midpoint, to the middle of a line of the sides, and it is a perpendicular to that side. All right, so let's move on. We can find the area of a regular polygon by breaking it into smaller triangles. Okay, so for example, we want to divide this 6-sided polygon into smaller triangles here. As you can see, we have 6 triangles, right? Triangle 1, let's start from here. Triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 there. So we have 6 triangles. And if this is a triangle, remember the formula for area of a triangle is half or 1/2 base times height, right? That is the area of a triangle. 1/2 base times height. So from there, we can say the area of this polygon, remember, this polygon has 6 triangles. So we can say 1/2 base times height times 6. So we will look for the area of one triangle here, then multiply by the number of triangles we have in this polygon. Okay, so remember, we do have 6 polygons here. So we can say the area of this polygon is 1/2 base, look at the base. The base is same as side. So I can say 1/2 base times height. But instead of saying base, I would say side. And instead of height, I would say apothegm. So the area will be 1/2 side multiply apothegm. Okay, remember it is gotten from the area of the triangle. What's the area of a triangle? 1/2 or half. 1/2 multiply base multiply height. Once again, I do not, where you see base, you'll say side. Where you see height, you'll say apothegm. Okay, and how many triangles do we have? You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because this is a hexagon, you have 6 triangles. If this was a pentagon, you would have 5 triangles. If this was a heptagon, you'll have 7 triangles. So remember that, okay? So once again, the formula is 1/2 multiply side, multiply apothem, multiply the number of triangles there. Okay, the numbers of triangles here is 6, but we can go with n. In the formula, you would see n. N means what is the number of triangles there? N. That's the number of sides. The number of sides. Okay, so let's go. So here we go. Area of a triangle is equal 1/2 base times height. Okay, so it's equal wherever you see base, you put side there. Okay, multiply by the apothem. Where you see height, you write apothem. Where you see base, you'll write length of sides or sides, up to you. Length of side is better. So from the formula, area of a triangle, which is 1/2 multiply base multiply height, is equal 1/2 multiply the length of the side multiply the apothem. Okay, so there we go. To find the area of the whole polygon now, you have to do this, multiply by the number of sides it has. This is a hexagon, so you would say 1/2 multiply length of the side multiply the apothem, just multiply by 6. All right, so therefore let n, this is what I said, let n be the number of sides of the polygon. So I want, who's gonna tell me, how many sides does this polygon have? Who can say? Look at the polygon. 6, very good. So n will be 6, remember that. So once again, the area of the polygon is 1/2 multiply n, number of sides, which is 6, for this polygon, okay? Then multiply length of the side, multiply what? Who can say? What's the last one there?
Height.
What's the height of polygon?
Apothem.
Apothem, very good there. Multiply by the apothem, okay? So this is the formula for polygons, okay? This is how to get polygon. It's that easy. So the area of a polygon is 1/2 multiply n, multiply length of a side, and multiply the apothem. I know it's kind of long, it's kind of it's a lengthy formula, but it's easy to remember. It's from the area of a triangle, okay? Who can tell me the formula of area of a polygon without looking at the looking at your screen? Who can tell me?
Can I try?
Okay, Bass, please remember not to look at the screen.
Teacher, I open.
Okay, you open your camera. Yes, I can see you. I cannot see you actually, Bass. I cannot see you.
Teacher, to make sure that I don't look.
Oh, okay. I got you. Okay.
1/2 times n times length of the side times apothem.
Times apothem. Very good there, Bass. Okay. Please also remember we have 2 formulas for area of a polygon. This one of them. The other one is way easier. That is just 1/2 times perimeter times apothem. Okay, we'll get to that one later. Okay, here we go. Since the perimeter of a polygon is n times length of the side, so n here n multiply length of the side is equal perimeter. So we will replace that. Therefore, perimeter will replace n times length of the side here. So therefore, the second formula is equal, the area of a polygon is equal 1/2 multiply perimeter multiply the apotheme. Okay, so these are the two formulas we have here, area of a polygon and area of a polygon here. So it depends on the question. If you have the perimeter, for example, I could say, what is the area of a polygon with a perimeter of 5 and an apotheme of 2? So look at that. I will repeat that question. I said, what is the area of a polygon with perimeter of 5 and apotheme of 2? Perimeter 5 and apotheme of 2. So going by that question, you will use formula 2 there because it has perimeter in the question. Okay, so it depends on the question given. If you have a question about perimeter, you can use the second formula. If you have a question about the number of sides, then you can use the first formula. Okay, so let's go see questions here. It says question 1, I guess. If the length of each side of a regular hexagon is 15 centimeter and the apotheme is 13 centimeter, find the area of the hexagon. First, Emily, which of the formula will I use? Formula 1 or formula 2? Emily 2B, are you there?
2.
The formula 2, why formula 2? Formula 2 says 1/2 multiply perimeter multiply apotheme. Look at the question here. We do not have perimeter. So which formula would you use again?
1.
Formula 1, very good. So that is how to know which of the formulas to use, formula 1 or formula 2. You have to look at the question given there. So once again, we know that the formula, is the hexagon. So n will be equal 6. Hexagon have 6 sides. All right. So it's 1/2 multiplied by n, multiply length of the side, multiply by the apotheme. So we do know that n is 6 because hexagon has 6 sides. So n is equal 6. The length of side, it says here, if the length of each side, it's already, the length of each side is 15 and the apotheme is 13. So the length of the side will be multiplied by 15 and then the apotheme would be 13. So if you divide, you can say 2 cut 6 here will be 3, right? 3 multiply 15 will be 45. And then you have 45 multiply 13 there would give you 585 centimeters square. Please do not forget the square, okay? This is area now. It goes with the square. Let's go to another question. So that's the answer. Find the area of the regular polygon. There we go. Here we go. Okay, there we go. So find the area of this regular polygon, regular pentagon. We know a pentagon has 5 sides. So n is equals 5. Remember the formula. Remember also, please, this do not give us perimeter. So we'll use the first formula, okay? So 1/2 multiply n, multiply length of the side, multiply the apotheme. Okay, so here we go. That's the formula here. So we know.
Can I do?
Okay, Bash, you can do it. Let's go.
1/2 times times 5
Okay.
times 3
Okay.
times 2.
Okay. So what will be your answer? You can say 2 can cut 2. 2 cut 2 here.
2.
So 5 times 3.
So 5 times 3 equal 15.
15 what?
Meters square.
Very good. So we have there 15 meters square. That is how to do it. I think it's quite easy though. So let's go. Yes, it is quite easy. So let's see the next one here. So the answer there is 15 meters square. What is the area of the regular heptagon? This is question Piraya, right? I was thinking question triple, but let's go. This question Piraya. Can you tell me how to do this?
Teacher, 1/2 times base times height.
No. What's the formula? Area of a heptagon is equal 1/2 times. You want to go with perimeter? Yeah. Okay. We want to use the second formula here. What's the perimeter? Don't forget, perimeter is just the number of sides multiply the length of the side. That's all. So what's the number of the side, Raya? It's just, okay. What?
7.
It's 7, good, it's 7. And what is the length? Each side?
10.
10. So what's the perimeter first?
70.
70, okay. So going back to the math, we have here, what's going on? Okay, so we have here 1/2 times perimeter of 70, multiply what? What's the apotheme there?
7.
The apotheme is 7, okay. So please do not mistake this 7 here for this 7 here. This 7, the perimeter of 10 times 7 is coming from the number of sides there. If you count it, it will be, let's start from 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 sides to a heptagon. Okay, so remember, the heptagon has 7 sides. That is where the 7 is coming from. All right, so one more time. So Piraya, what's your final answer? 1/2 multiply 70 multiply 7. What's your answer?
Teacher, wait a minute, please.
Okay. That should be about 35 times 7. That's 35, 7 times 5, 5, 3, 7 times.
Teacher, 245.
45. Good. 245 centimeters squared. Do not forget the unit there. Okay, that's the answer. Do we have one more? Yes, we have one more. Find the area of a regular octagon with a perimeter of 80 and an apotheme of 12.1. This is question Chio. Question Chio. What's the formula?
1/2 times 80.
Formula first. Formula first.
1/2 times perimeter times apotheme.
Apotheme, okay. So what's next?
It'll become 1/2 times 80 times 12.1. 2 can cut 80. 2 will become 180 will become 40.
Okay.
and I do 40 times 12.1.
Okay.
And I will got
400.
484
Yes.
centimeters square.
Very correct. 484 centimeters square. Okay, good job, everybody. Okay, I can see these questions are really easy. Can you
Teacher,
answer? Yes, please.
look my profile and out my
Yes,
name.
you have 3 cats in our class. Okay, good. It's a class of cats. All right. Can you find the area of this regular hexagon? This is the
Can I try?
you know okay, you can find that on page 153. So let's whip out, oh my god, let's bring out our textbooks, okay, and turn to page 153. Okay, so I'll ask a lot of people questions, okay. Japan, as you know, I tried calling Japan one time, she was not there. Are you there now, Japan?
I'm here.
Okay, so please get ready. I'll ask you questions. Sarah Pop, are you there?
Yes,
Oh, very good. I have all my students there. How about Tanu? Pat, is Tanu Pat there? Mr. Markey? Mr. Markey. Oh no, I cannot hear from Mr. Mark. How about Baitawi Niti Chanel? Niti Chanel, are you there? Niti Chanel. Oh no. Yes, Baitawi, can you say something? I did not hear you.
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, so Baitawi, get ready for question time. Let us go to page 153, I think. Page 153, let's go there, let's go there. Please bring out your textbooks and turn to the practice questions there. Page 153, that's where you'd find where we go with our next work. So you'll do questions, yes. I believe there are how many questions here? How many questions? I think there are just 2 questions, right? 3, the 3 questions there. Okay, so we'll do it together, but first you will do it and then please do questions 1 to 3 on page 153 in your textbook. If you're done, say, teacher, I am done, or I am finished.
Teacher, I will turn on camera. What I'm doing.
Okay, Bass, you do that. I'm done, say Chio. Good job from Chio there. Who else? Who else is done? Page 153, questions 1 to 3. Chio is done already. Now, Pass, are you done?
No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yes, who else is done? Chio, who else? Where is Arena? Arena, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Are you done?
I'm not done, teacher, but I about to done.
Okay, I'm about to finish. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot how to multiply the point.
The point, you forgot how to multiply 11.6.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no. It's easy. Just multiply. I cannot tell you. I'll tell you later. Or just try and do it, okay? Try and do it for now.
Let me think.
Yes, think, please. Think real fast. Okay. How about Emily? Are you done, Emily?
No.
Justio, Piraya, Addison, Tankun, Sierra Pop. Come on, everybody. Not just Theo. Chiltikan is here. Chiltikan, are you there? Chiltikan. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Polygons. Quite easy. All right. I'll give you, we don't have much time, so I'll give you about who's done? Someone's talking there.
Not sure. I say with me.
Okay.
Teacher, I done number 1.
Okay, you're done with number 1. So quick, go to number 2 and 3, Piraya. Number 2 and 3. We have 3 questions there. Question 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. Okie dokie. Okay, so let's go. Let's do this.
Yeah, wait.
Faster, please. We don't have much time.
Number 2, we need to do A and B, or only A or B.
You know that's funny, right?
Not sure. I don't know how to do number 3.
You have to do A and B. Come on. You know you have to do A and B.
Not sure. Number 3.
Yes, number 3. Number 2 has just 1. There's no A and B. Number 2. Number 3 has A
Number
and B.
3.
Number 3 has A and B, please. Not number 2.
So how?
Don't worry, we'll do it together. If you cannot do it, just try your best, okay? Try and do the ones you can. So let's do it together. We don't have much time. We have other things to do.
I know it. Wait, let me do 30 seconds.
Okay, Bass. Come on, you have a minute though. Addison, please get ready. You tell me how to do number 1A. Okay, Addison. Get ready. In about a minute time, we'll do
Yeah, you can give the answer this one.
Okay. All right. So Addison, let's go. Tell me how to do number 1. Read the question and how to do number 1A, Addison.
Calculate the area of the regular polygon.
Okay.
Working number 1. 1/2. Teacher,
Yes.
it has 6. It has 6.
It has
5.
Let's count it together. It has 5, but let's count it together. Let's start from 11.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a pentagon.
1 over 2 times 5 times 8 times 11.6 got.
So what's your answer?
Already.
Okay.
I got 232
232. 232 what?
centimeter square.
Centimeters square. Okay, so let's see what Addison got. Very correct. Well, I hope you write your formulas, okay? Please, you have to write down your formulas first, okay? So the area is 1 over 2, multiply the number of sides, multiply the length of side, and multiply by the apothem, okay? So we know the area is equal 1 over 2 multiply 5, because it's a pentagon. 5 multiply by the length of the side, 11.6, multiplied by the apothem of 8 centimeters there. Okay, so if you multiply 5 times 4, sorry, I said 4, 5 times 8 is 40 there. Okay, so 40 multiply 11.6, it's the same as 106 multiplied by 4. 106 multiplied by 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Write 4 down, take up 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. And 4, anyways, 4 times that again is 4. So 464 divided by 2 is 232 centimeters squared. That's how to do that. So let's go to number 2. Number 2 will be done by Japan. Japan, are you there? Japanese? Jutaporn, can you hear me? Yes, Jutaporn, can you turn on your microphone? Can you turn on your microphone, Japan? I can see you. Can you turn on your microphone, please? I'm waiting, Japan. We don't have much time. Okay, I think Japan is not communicating. I'll go next with Arena. Arena, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, yes, I'm here. Arena, please tell me how to do number 1B. And please, number 2 is for Miss Bonus. So Patrola, get ready to do number 2. Let's go, Bonus. I said Bonus. Let's go, Arena.
We use 1 over 2 time number of side, time length of side, time. Teacher, what that word lead? For Tim.
Where are you talking again? Again,
Teacher.
Arena.
Teacher.
How
to say
apothem. Let's go.
And 1 over 2 times 6.
Okay.
Time 24.
Okay.
And time 18.
Very good. So what's your answer, Arena?
My answer is, I'm not sure. I time it wrong. My answer is 1,296. Oh,
96 or 69, Arena?
69.
Okay. All right, Arena, you're always not sure. And then you get the answers eventually. Okay, so what Arena said was the area of the polygon is equal.
I get 96. I got 1,296.
Oh,
Me too.
because you're listening to Arena. Oh, okay. Let me check it out. One of the two, maybe it's me because I did this last night. Maybe I was sleeping while I was doing it. So let me confirm, please.
I
One of
think
the
it's
two.
very well.
Okay, just a moment, Bash. Just a moment. 1 over 2 multiplied by 6 will give me 3. 3 times 24. 3 times 24 there would be 3 times 12. 3 times, that's 1, 6, 7. That should be 72. Okay, so 72 multiply 18. That's 72 multiplied by 18. That should give me 6. Yes. Oh, I think I was, yeah, I'm sorry. I did this like very late last night. So I think Arena was correct eventually. Sorry, Arena and everyone else.
Oh, yay.
Yes, this is correct. I'm sorry, please. I was feeling a little bit sleepy when I was doing this math yesterday. I guess that's
Yeah,
fine.
I'm about to take it wrong.
Okay. So we all got that now. Thank you for the correction, students.
Teacher, may I
Okay.
have number 3, please? I want number 3.
Okay, but let's hear bonus then. Okay, let's go to number 2
Teacher.
for Miss Bonus. Let's go, Bonus.
Teacher, I'm not sure.
Of course, Bonus is doing Arena now. Okay, let's go.
Find the area of the square octagon with an opening of 3.5 cm and length of its side 3 cm.
Okay.
I do. Area of the octagon is equal 1 over 2 times perimeter times opposite. I'm do 1 over 2 times 24 times. I'm do 1 over 2 times 3.5 times 24.
Where did you get 24 from? Where are you getting 24? Why 24?
3 and
3 times 8?
yes.
Okay, well, you did not tell us that. So you should say the perimeter will be the number of sides multiplied by the length of the side. Okay. Anyways, keep going. Focus.
It's equal 42 cm square.
Okay, 42 centimeters square. Okay, that is correct. You used second formula, but I used the first. Yes,
I correct.
yes, you're also correct. Yes, Bonus, that is correct. You used the second formula. You can use any of them. You'll get the same answer there.
Teacher, it's my turn.
It depends. I don't know yet, Bass. Don't get too excited. Calm down. Be cool, Bass. Be cool. Like in cool. Okay. That's give me an idea for be cool, like Miss in cool. I think Bass will tell me 3A, and then Tanya will tell me 3B.
I want letter B. I want B.
Okay, so if you want to do B, so that leaves Tanya to A. Miss Im Cool, be cool. Can you tell me 3A how to do it? First, read the question, Tanya, and then tell me how to do it. Find, Miss Tanya, find the area. Tanya. Come on, Tanya, I know you fixed your microphone already. Okay, so I'll go next with Nawapat. Nawapat will tell me how to do number 3A, and then Bass will say how to do number 3B. Let's go, Nawapat. First, read the question, please. Find.
Find the area of a regular heptagon with
Length.
length of side equal 23.2 m. A protein equal 16 meters.
It's the
Perimeter.
meters. Okay, so let's go. So how to do it? What's the formula first?
Area
Yes, area is equal.
equal 1/2
times
number of side times length of side and 8
times apotheme.
apotheme.
Okay, now but you're doing good. So look at the question there. What is the number of sides? How many number of sides? Heptagon. What is number of sides there? Heptagon. How many sides does a heptagon have? Yes, now what? 6, 7, or 8?
7.
Heptagon. 7, very good. So it is 1/2 multiply what?
7.
Multiply. What's the length of the side?
23.2.
Very good. Multiply the apotheme. What's the apotheme?
4.
What? No, number 3A.
16.
16. So what's your answer now? No, 1/2 multiply 7 multiply 23.2 multiply 16. What's your answer?
185.6.
185.6. That is far from it. How did you get 185.6? Am I wrong? 185.
I got like you, teacher.
I didn't
Okay.
times 7.
Oh, okay, times 7 now and tell me your answer.
Teacher, I got like you.
I got
Okay.
like you. Okay.
Oh no, now if I do it, now if you did not do it, let me see it. That was too fast.
Yeah, look me, I do it already, all of it.
Okay, all right. Bass. Yes, I heard you there, Pat Charawalai. But let's wait for Nawapat. Nawapat did not do it. I'm waiting for him. Okay. So Bass, get ready for number 3B.
Yeah.
Okay. Nawapat, I'm waiting. What's your answer?
1299.5.2.
Okay, Nawapat, that's better. Okay, so Bass, can you tell me your answer? Tell me how to do number 3B and your answer.
B equal 42 minus 7 because heptagon is 7. But letter B is it gives us the perimeter.
Okay.
So we need to find one of the side.
Okay.
Equal 42 divided by 7 equal 6.
Okay.
Then 1/2 times 8 times 6 times 4.
Times 8. Where are you getting 8 from?
Oh, no, 7.
Okay.
I'm wrong.
Okay. Anyways, what you're doing is still correct, Beth, but it is kind of lengthy. You're going round and round. You can use the second formula. What's the second formula, Beth?
I don't know.
Oh, that's why you're doing that. The second formula says 1/2 multiplied by the perimeter multiplied by the apotheme.
Oh. Okay, sure.
Okay, so let me go with someone else.
1/2 times 42 times 4.
Yes, quite easy. So 1/2 times 42 times 4, you can say 2 can cut 4 to be 2. So you have 42 times 2 there. What's your answer?
48.
42 times 2, what's your answer?
42 times 2. 84.
84, that's the answer there. Okay, so it is quite easy. So the answer A is 1,299.2 meters square, and B there is 84 centimeters square. Okay, I find this very easy, right? Emily, this question hard?
Teacher, is not hard, but I'm not.
Yes, Emily said no. Bas said it's not hard, but you were not
I
focused.
mean,
You're not focused, Bas. That's why. Okay.
I'm not focused.
Got it all.
I know. Chio said I got it all. This is baby work. Like Chio says, teacher, this is too easy for me.
Teacher, but
Okay.
I think it's not hard, but I'm not careful.
That's what I'm saying. You're not careful. You're not focused. You're playing. You said, oh, the math is too easy, so I'm just going to play. Okay, so are you done writing? Can we go to our workbook now?
I'm done, teacher.
Okay, how about Syrup Pop? Syrup Pop, are you done writing?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let's go to the workbook now. We have about 4 minutes left with this. Yes, Bas, I can see your textbook. Please, if you do not understand any of this, let me know. I will try to help you out with that. So let's go to the workbook. I think, yeah, the workbook is here. Okay, good. Activity G, I don't know what page number is this. I'm sorry. I don't know what page number is this. You can find this in your workbook activity G there. Okay.
Page 122.
Page 122. Thank you there, Ms. Gio. Let's see. I think this is really easy. So let's go to the first one here. Mr. Incy will tell me how to do the first one here. Activity G number 1, go. C wrap up. What to do? Find the area of each of the following regular polygon. Incy, what do you do? First, Mr. Syrup Pop, how many sides does the polygon number 1 have? How many sides?
7.
7. That's a heptagon. So what do you do? What's the area? 1/2 multiply.
Multiply 9. Multiply 7 times 7. Times 9.
Oh my God, Syrup Pop, focus. Okay, 1/2 multiply 7, multiply 9, multiply 9. So what's your answer? And please feel free, you can write the formula first, up to you. You can write the formula and you cannot write the formula, but it's up to you, okay? So what's your answer? 1/2 multiply 7, multiply 9, multiply 9.
Wait, please, teacher, wait, please.
9 times 9, there should be 81. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 7, that's 7, 8, 81, yeah, 81. 8 times 7 is that 56. So you get 157. 157 divided by 2 should be what? Yeah, 60, 80, 70, about 78-ish. So what's your answer, Syrup Pop? Hmm?
$567.
No. 89 times 7, 56, that's about, no. 7, 56.
Divide 2.
500, it should be 567 divided by 2. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 7 should be 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 8, 56. So it should be 567. So 567 divided by 2 is what? That 567 divided by 2. Yeah, what's your answer? Should be 200 and something. Because 2, yeah. So what's your answer? See, wrap up. You're almost there. Almost there. Okay, I think so is our time. So is the time. It's exact time now. So we're just gonna do, so that's the answer there, 283.5 centimeters square. So please do all the answers. I think they have up to question 6, okay? So please do number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yourself. I do believe you can do this one, okay? Please do it. This is your homework. Send to me. I will check and give you your scores. Please take, this is very important. Take a photo and send to me. I will give you your scores, okay? So please, we do not have time to check our names. I'll check them myself, okay? So please, I'll see you by 2:30 for science class, okay? From teacher, goodbye, and do have a good day. Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you all, and have a good day. Goodbye.